Okay, so already start record. I just have some for the day, more like some update, and also check the how is your training or any challenge. If you look at the agenda number 1, infrastructure list. Later I will show you. This one just released about 4 weeks back, I think, so everyone can see it. Then the skill-specific safety requirement, I just quickly run through because this inside the technical description. Another very important document will be the competition rule. Again, I will show where is it, but I'm not going to run through because there's a lot of information inside. So you can check when you have time. Then any question can just raise to Huma and me, right? So that will be the agenda number 1. Then second will be the layout. The venue layout, there's some, they just released the latest one about 3 weeks back. Then agenda number 3 will be some other important notes. Some of the information Huma also share with us. This will be from the last meeting for all the chief expert and the skill competition manager, right? Then as I mentioned, the last one will be the how about your training, any challenge? I want to hear, we want to hear some of the feedback from you. That's basically for today's plan. So come back to the infrastructure list, right? This one, as I mentioned, everyone can see it, right? But this one is a dynamic document. Anytime they may change. Let me log in to this to see for those new experts. I don't know whether you can see it, because this is an important document for you to know what will be the infrastructure list, right? So let me go to the website. So I just log in. You are still seeing my screen, right?
Correct.
So once I log in, for me, I will go to the skill management. Then I will go to the skill management document. Then for this competition, Shanghai 2026, and come to our skill. So you can see some other document also. So the technical description, this one we discussed, I think the first meeting, right? The workshop layout, you also can see from here. I believe I can see once I log in, that means you also can see, right? So that will be the expert who have 12, then competitor of 12, but not all the competitor confirmed. So far, we only have Austria, Brazil, Hungary, Japan, Korea, Namibia. Once I see the name, right, that means competitor already confirmed. So China, Germany, India, Zambia, those 4 countries haven't confirmed. So I come to the infrastructure list, right? That's I just go in. So there you can see, right? You can see based on category, right? Like equipment, that's be all the equipment. Consumable, right? Or others, okay? You also can see based on the, I think based on module, right? Let me see. It's not module. Based on the Yeah, comparator work area module A, right? You can see. Then module B, okay. Then module C and D, ours only up to D, right? So that would be some of the equipment, materials, or other things. Is, as I mentioned, it's a very important document for you to check because we may have some change compared with 2024, right? So from here you can see what are the equipment, what are the consumables or chemicals. You don't see all the information. For those secret, you can't see it. Okay. So I don't know whether I have any, secret you can see, right? So that's I want to explain to you that's an important document for you.
One question. If you open area 1, A, sorry. Task
module A, right?
Yes. Where are the text marker? The text marker are missing.
The text.
Then the marker, the pencil.
That's when they make it into the stationery or some other.
Okay.
They didn't put here. Let me see. Maybe if we see from the stationery, they may have. Calculator, stationery standard pack, stationery expert pack, stationery competitor standard pack. I need to check in which pack they put inside.
Pencil. I see the pencil. It's over there.
Now we need the marker also. I think they have a pack. But anyway, they put here. I will make sure this one we have it, right?
Okay.
Any question for the expert, particularly for the new one, for the infrastructure list?
I've got a question.
Yeah.
Are you going to provide the stationery for the competitors?
Stationery, you are referring to what kind of stationery?
For example, calculator. I see the scientific calculator there.
Calculator
You're going to provide. Oh, all right.
Yes.
So is there any other thing different?
If I remember right, actually competitor do not need to bring any stationery. They do not need to bring any stationery.
All right.
Yeah. All will be provided. Yeah. Any other question? Yeah. So as I mentioned, this one is not a finalized list. We are still updating, and some has been confirmed with the sponsor. Those I believe in a green, right, is confirmed. So but you can just go to regularly check the list. We may put up some new information for this infrastructure list.
But for the calculator, we can discuss in the forum if it's allowed to bring their own calculator.
I think since
in the forum. I don't know.
Since we already provided, I think we use the standard one because some calculator have more functions.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Because this one we provide it, and also each one competitor will provide notebook. I mean the computer, personal computer also. So better we use the standard one because some have more functions, some have So in case.
So you're saying they must bring their personal computers, laptops?
No. We provide it.
You providing it? All right. Thank you.
I also have another question. This is Chi Kyung. Is it possible we download this list? Like
yes, you can. You can.
One button.
Because once you can see, you can download, you can copy, you can do anything.
Oh, but where is the download button? Actually, I tried to look at the website. Is
Maybe
it under
they
the
don't.
PDF?
Maybe they don't allow the download. I'm not so sure. Status PDF. Is this one? I'm not
Is it
so
the
sure.
PDF.
No, not this one.
No,
If there's no download button, but you can copy paste.
Just copy the entire list.
Yeah, if you want, I don't, because that's what I do in the past. I just copy the check, but you can make it different category, right? You can see, you can sort them out.
yeah, you cannot download the whole list. Yeah,
I think they don't
Okay.
allow. Maybe I'm not so
Yeah.
sure, because in the past, remember, I copied the list.
So if we copy the list, we have to, based on the categories like equipment and tools, then we download.
You
And then
can either based on category, you can based on module, or you can based on everything. So here is everything, the whole list. I think we have about 250 items. Yeah.
okay.
That should be the whole list.
All right.
To
Thank you.
prepare the training, it's better you separate about the task A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
It's easier.
These are module. These are
Oh,
modules.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Understand. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. Any other question? As I mentioned, because this one is an important information for you, particularly from here, you can roughly see what will be the change, right? If you compare the last round, you see the change, then that will be the likely the test project change, right? Okay, so
For
that's
the training camp, one information. We will also work on the infrastructure list, the experts.
okay.
So we can check the infrastructure list, and then we can do a little brainstorming which task could be the task for Shanghai.
Yeah. Okay. So the next one will be the skill-specific safety requirement. There's some minor change. So this document is at technical description, section 7. Okay. So let me go to here, because again, this is open information for you. So come back to the technical description, right? So once you log in, you can see all this, same as me. So once you open up this one, under this one, section 7, which we didn't clearly specify or explain during our last two meetings, we focus more on the occupational standard and for the last two meetings, right? So if you come to section 7, it's a skill specific safety requirement, right? Click, you come here. So the 7.1 is a PPE, right? Personal protective equipment. So that would be this one. Safety glasses with the sight protection. They must wear during the formalization and the competition. During the familiarization and the lab work. We have with the pressure only for the palm, right? That will be with the pressure. So this one,
but
will
Leo,
be provided.
That means if we work on the EduKit, they have to wear glasses.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So the lab work, yes. Pressure, that means with a pump, right?
Yeah.
So here, competition
So
in
when
the
you
workshop.
do electrical work on the EduKit, you must wear cutting gloves and glasses. I don't know. Normally we don't wear gloves when we
That
work
means
on the
in
EduKit.
the past will be only this one, right?
Yeah. I think the two, it's not correct.
So no, I mean this one. With a you mean for the palm and the educate, these two, we don't need glass.
No, when you work with pressure, you need glass.
Now the pressure is the palm. Palm, they have the pressure.
Yes.
So only this one we may not
Yeah,
need.
this is not correct. And also
Okay.
the next one, cut protection gloves. Only when you cut. Not at all work, electrical work, only when you cut.
Yeah, this one okay, because this one, whenever they cut, they need to wear.
Yeah.
Then with the pressure, no need.
When you work on the pump, you must wear the gloves because it's wastewater. That's correct.
Okay. So only this one and this one, we don't need.
No, this one.
And this one.
No, this one. Go up.
This one, yeah.
This one. Delete
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one and the next. Right to them.
This one, yeah, this one is okay. This during the cutting, they must. Whenever they do cut,
they
right?
need that.
But then we must write down only by cutting, because now you must wear it at all mechanical and electrical work, only for cutting.
Yeah. So this one is only for cutting. This one no
Yeah.
need. This one no
No
need.
need.
Let me write down. We need to update this document.
But if you work with pressure, then you need the safety glasses.
Yeah.
That's correct. That's correct.
Only these two.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will update this one. Then the lab glove, okay, that's one. Only do the lab. Safety shoes, yeah,
This one is
everywhere.
there for the
Right,
lab.
that's right.
Yeah.
Right?
It's everywhere.
Then the long trousers.
Also.
Workshop, okay. Yeah, okay. Lab coat during the lab only, yes. Hearing
so there
protection.
I see you're saying,
Huh?
okay. Now I was
Sorry?
saying that I see that you're saying tight fitting working clothes. Are you talking of the work suit?
We are referring to here the bracket, long trousers, long trouser.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the lab coat, that's right. Hearing protection, only more than 85, which normally we don't have. Right, we don't have. This one actually not necessary. Yeah? Safety helmet. This one during the mechanical work.
On pump.
Yeah, on pump only, not electrical.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you have a specific one? Are you going to provide that?
Yes.
PPE.
This one, the helmet, the PPE, no. So everything, let me see. Glasses, glove, this glove, we're not providing because everyone has different size.
So is that the
Right?
specification of the glove, the cut protection glove? Is that the specification for that?
It's a normal mechanical glove.
Yeah. So this one
we must bring.
Huh? Yeah,
we must bring it, that one.
You have to bring because everyone different.
You have to bring.
Then this one will be provided. The shoes you have to bring because everyone you cannot wear like someone else's shoes. Then this one you need to bring the trousers. Lab coat need to bring. hearing protection no need, safety helmet no need. So what they need to bring, the cut glove, the shoes, and the trouser and the lab coat need to bring.
Yeah.
The rest no need.
Okay. It's noted. And then as
Yeah.
for the helmet, because isn't it when we are working
The helmet
with the
no need to bring. No need to
All
bring.
right.
The
Okay.
the Festo will bring. If Festo never bring, we just skip this one because that's for everyone to bring the helmet is too much, too big. Not
Yeah.
necessary.
To traveling
Just for
with
the
it.
yeah, just for the pump work is okay. If the Festo not bring, we will skip this one.
All right.
Leo.
Yeah.
Task during formalization and competition in the workshop, for example, electrical and mechanical work on pump system, then it's correct. Then you can leave it like this. Only on the left side at pump station. No, yeah, there at the end. For example, electrical and mechanical work at the pump station. Then it's correct.
Okay.
Let me see. I cannot edit. So this one we change it at pump station, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pump station. Then this one no need.
And Fernanda, your question, if I check the infrastructure list, there is no helmet view.
No, this one is no. This one will be bring by Festo. If they don't bring, we just skip this one.
Okay. So I can ask Thomas if they bring the
Yeah,
helmet.
because every time they bring this one, want to
okay.
keep as a souvenir also.
Yeah, okay. Good.
Okay, so this only this one, huh? So this one will remove it.
Yeah. Then it's correct.
Right?
And also for your information, also the experts has to wear safety shoes, long trousers.
Yes.
Do we need long sleeves?
Long sleeve? You mean the
T-shirt.
On t-shirts or
t-shirt? Yeah, no, the t-shirt. Yeah, we always wear t-shirt.
Okay.
Because everyone wearing the country's t-shirt. Just the trousers to protect because in case anything fall down or anything.
So do we also need a lab coat?
No.
Okay.
Lab coat only for the lab work. For the lab work,
for
you
comparison.
need, yeah.
For comparison. For the
Only
for
for
the expert.
competitors.
For expert, no.
No.
So for expert, right? You need safety shoes because everyone, as I mentioned, you cannot wear somebody else. Then I believe this
Long
one,
trouser?
yeah, it's just long trouser, but may not be the work clothes.
Yeah.
Right, for export, as long as long trouser, may not.
Or it can be anyone.
Yeah, no need
All
for
right.
the work clothes. For competitor, they need work clothes.
Sorry. Okay, it's clear.
Okay, for expert safety shoes
Trousers and safety.
and long trousers only. Dress, no need for any, nothing, no need others. Okay, so this table actually is for the competitor. Okay. Any others on this part? Your competitor need to bring, right? They need to bring cut glove, shoes, work clothes, lab coat, right? For the safety class, if they want to bring, they also can bring, because otherwise, the one we provided is, how do I say, it's like this. We are providing this one.
Yeah.
This what we are providing is like this. So they will wear for those already have glasses, they just cover it up. If you have your own, you like, you can bring your own, because this, I mean, if you don't like this, yeah. Okay, any question for the PPE?
I guess we are covered.
Yeah. Okay, because this quite important, because the need to prepare for the competitor. Because so actually see here, the safety helmet, no need. Hearing protection, no need. Then the rest, you can bring everything.
Okay.
Only the lead glove, the latex glove. This one only, because this one just common laboratory glove. This one only to bring. We are going to have many different size.
Okay.
Okay, so otherwise I will move on to the next one. Again, this information will be inside this technical description, but they didn't. I think they didn't specify. Safety regulation, host country. They didn't specify, right? Is it in another session what to bring? Let me see.
Here.
Huh?
We can add it here, 8.4. Competitors are not required to bring materials.
But they must have their own PPE.
Yeah.
Here is already, yeah. So specify in 7, which just now I mentioned, right? Okay, so they no need toolbox, no need to bring anything, but they must bring their own PPE, because PPE everyone using different, right? Cannot use others persons. That's why they must bring everything here, but except the helmet, because this one, and the hearing protection, we're just using earplug. Again, we don't have any, I don't think we got 85 loud noise, but one time there's one competition that is very noisy, just beside our skill is another skill. Where is it? Is it in Kazan? I can't remember.
It was Kazan.
Yeah, very noisy, right?
Yeah.
So otherwise, okay. So if not, I move on to the next one. The competition rule, right? So the competition rule is under once you log in, you're supposed to download, right? You need to go through this one 100%. Otherwise, you cannot do the assessment. Okay. So under this, there's one called competition rule. Okay. So this document is very important one. You need to download. Okay, so after you download, competition rule. So it's a 97 page, as I mentioned. Some are very important, some are not. You just, when you have time, you just read through it. Of course, based on the requirement, you just need to download. You click download, consider you complete. I hope you have time to read through, particularly for this, for the new expert, right? To read through, like, each one, what everyone's roles. There's one is on the issue and the dispute
That's
resolution.
important. It's very important.
Yeah, this section
Section
12 also
12,
very
yeah.
important. Very important. On the 12, what consider as the issue? What consider the dispute? Like how do they settled, right? So just spend some time to read through this. As I mentioned, we may not have time to go through all this because this apply to every skills, not skill specific. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So come to the next one. It's on the venue layout, right? I mean the update. Let me make it a bit bigger. So this version is on the February. Actually, the version 2.02. It's still similar, the layout. I think we have some minor change. I can't remember where's the change. So that will be the expert room, comparator room, storage, this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're still based on 15 because once the competitor registration has been finalized, we may reduce the station numbers. There's one more emergency exit. It's on this side. So coming on this side. I think everyone can see this one also. Let me check.
I have a question on that one.
Yeah, let me show you where you can find this document. I think you can see it. Wait, here. So once you log in, go to our skill. Workshop layout. Let me see whether it's our layout. Yeah. So you can see, everyone can see this now, right? That's just now. One is the overall layout. The other one is for gas, water pipe, and power. Okay, for the second one. Yes. What's the question?
No, I wanted to ask as to whether in the layout, do you already assign the cubicles for different competitors?
No, we haven't.
Just going to
We're
be
going to discuss.
generic?
No, we haven't. We're going to discuss in the future session, or maybe after we come into Shanghai. We are not deciding now. Yeah.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Okay, so you can access this at the once you log in, right? So that's be the layout. I believe should be more or less finalized, but only the competitor. If we only have 12 competitor, we may remove this 5 and 6. So we can have some space here. Right. So that's about the layout. Let me move on. Some other important notes. Let me highlight some of those quite important. And like the first one, the deadline already over, right? So those information is during the meeting with all the chief expert and the skill competition manager by the world skill competition director, okay? So the CV submission, the deadline will be 22nd of March. I haven't checked. I believe every expert, the new one, has submitted. Right? This is only for the new expert.
No, Fernanda is not submitted and approved. Fernanda, no.
He never submit.
No, I don't know. But it's not online.
No, I can check now. If
Also,
not submitted, if not submitted, they may affect assessment, right?
but all the new experts are not submitted. I think it's world
No,
skills.
No,
But we
I
did.
think it's submitted.
If I check all the new experts, all the new experts didn't submit
No,
it.
submitted. I already approved one.
I
Okay.
also sent mine.
But it's
Through
not.
my
It's not by
TD.
you. It's your technical delegate submit.
Yeah, my TD, through my TD, I
It's not
send it.
written. It's not written in the mandatory task. So maybe you can ask Jane. If you check the mandatory task of our experts, it's for all experts, for all new experts, red, not submitted. But I think it's a problem with. We can discuss with Jane.
No, I have all. I have all here. I got Maikala, Fernanda, Ray Huang. Yeah, I have all here. I need to check, then approve it, right? How many are? 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, but it's not written in the mandatory task.
But this one, the information given to technical delegate follow up, not by us.
Yeah, we submitted to the technical delegate.
Yeah, it's not by us. This one is a rule for technical delegate.
Of course, but Jane must update.
I have everyone's here.
But
Anyone?
can you open the website? Mandatory task.
You mean it's not inside there, right?
It's not inside, yeah.
Let me see.
Or should it be inside the mandatory
No,
task?
I think it's
No,
inside there.
it's World Skills International.
I
Or
think
World
it's
Skills
inside.
International.
Yeah, I think it's inside. CV submitted, yeah, here.
No, this is your CV. Go up.
You mean others,
Go
they
up.
don't see this one.
No, go up.
For new expert,
here,
we see that.
expert
We
center.
see that. Yeah. We have that CV submission, but my one is not approved. I mean, it's still
No,
the red color.
approval need to wait. Because in the
Yeah.
process,
Yeah.
once approved, you will see this one change to approved.
Yes. Currently, what we have here for the CV submission, we have it, but it's in red color.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's what I mean. If you go on the right side, you can see it. Expert center, and then go to the show task. You see, it's not approved.
No, haven't approved. Yeah, they are in the process now.
Okay.
Oh.
So I receive is it everyone's? So it's all here, right?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Everyone's here, right?
Obi, where is Obi?
Yeah,
Oh,
Obi's
okay,
not
there.
Down there.
Yeah, it's correct. Yeah,
Obi, last one,
yeah, it's correct. Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm.
this one we just no need to worry on, already over.
Yeah.
Then the mandatory task, all new expert or retaining expert who were not at previous competition required to complete by May, which is about 1 month, 2 weeks time. So it's this one.
The access program.
This one?
The access program.
Yeah, this one is organized by technical delegate.
Technical delegate, yeah.
Yeah. So they will conduct the workshop, then complete, then they submit to World Skill Internationals.
Yeah.
So the deadline is by 22nd of May. Again, not by us. It's your technical delegate will be responsible. Okay. So just remember this one. The other one, the mandatory module, competition quiz, which is here. So competition quiz, all this, right? You must achieve 100%, right? Mine's 80 now. So if I see some 75, 50, 50, 25, CK unit at 25%, OB also 25%.
Can I share my screen? I actually complete all the quizzes, but I don't know why is it only 25%. Do you mind if I share my screen now?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, like this is what I have. Can you see my screen? All the
Yes.
mandatory tasks I complete. This one I'm not yet. Access program I cannot do. CV submission, this one also I cannot do.
Yes.
And that's give me 25%. I don't know why.
You must finish the industry test.
This one, this quiz,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yep, I'll do
Go
that.
I think the percentage you don't have to worry. They based on the category. One category considered as one task. Even you see
but-
so many green, right? Actually, that's one task. So you don't have to worry, but you just need to know by May, is it May? By June, all this must be green. It cannot be
Okay.
have anything in red.
But the access program and CV are not
Once
under my
done,
control. Right?
your technical delegate will submit, then this one will change to green.
I see. So that means I only left one things that I need to do online. This is this industry specific test quiz. The rest are just already submitted and in progress. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, I'll stop sharing. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, mine is also like that, but it's at 50%.
Yeah, you don't have to worry the percentage as mentioned. You just make sure you cannot have any red and a cross in front.
So I hear you saying the D date is June. Is it end of June or beginning of June?
It's 22nd of June.
Or 22nd of June.
Yeah.
All right.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing my slide, right?
Oh, yes, I can see that.
Yeah. So this one is 22nd of June, C-3. You must have 100%.
If there is a problem in the middle of June, we can contact Jane and ask for the TD if the access program is not finished or something else.
No, the techno delegate, what is it? And the TD is supposed to complete by this date.
Of course, but maybe we can support a little bit.
Yeah, we can check. Normally they will submit before these deadlines. So this one, they will change to green. Maybe the next meeting, I don't know whether Jane will give some update who has done, which country have been done.
Yeah.
We can check here. Okay.
And
So
then,
this
sorry, the
Huh?
other thing is with the competition rules quiz is 100%, right? So if a person gets less than 100, you have to redo until you get 100%.
It's not 100%.
Oh, okay.
It's 80 or 90. Consider pass.
How much?
I can't remember. It should be 80 or 90, not 100%.
Yeah.
Oh,
They will show you. Once you
okay.
finish, they will show you whether you pass or not. If you don't, you do another time.
All right.
So the this one, yeah, they are referring to this one. Sorry, 90%.
Industry specific.
This one 90%. 90% consider pass, not 100%. Okay, so remember the date same, 22nd of June, right? This will be all the summary just now we discussed, right? CV deadline already over. Assess program will be 22nd of May. Then the rest, you must achieve all green, 100% will be 22nd of June, which is about 2 months time, 2.5 months time. You just make sure you monitor this one. I will remind you again next time when we meet next meeting, right? On this. So once you log in, you also can see. The other one, also want for your information, right? On the hall opening time. So expert, right? Expert will be 7:45. You can, before that, you cannot go in. But chief expert, expert lead, and skill competition manager can go in by 7. So expert can go in by 7:45. We start to competition start at 8. If you remember, in the past will be same. We start at 8. Then during the competition time, we should finish by 9:30. I'm not so sure because I remember in Lyon, by the end time, they close the hall. No one can stay inside.
Yeah.
So this time we are not so sure yet. So we are not so sure. But we target finish by 9:30. Okay, every day.
And Leo, maybe you can talk with this topic with Jane. If the experts and the competitors have access to the halls on 7:45 and we start the competition at 8, I think it's not possible.
Now the hall open 7:45, 15 minutes they reach. Then at 8, if you remember, we do the safety briefing, to safety briefing, right, every day.
Of course, but
so you are saying the
you saw the hall. There is a
big,
long
right?
way
Yeah.
to walk for the competitors and for the experts.
So at this moment, it's 7:45. Applied all the skills. I can risk, but whether approved or not, this one, because it's applied to every single skill, is same.
Yeah, okay. But if you and I, if we work on the management plan, we should do this maybe 50 minutes later.
Yeah.
But we can discuss.
So, but this is the current opening time. Familiarization is in C
-2.
C-2, right? Is follow the 7:45 until 21. That is now clock. They don't, right? They finish about 4 to 5. Actually, they don't need to stay until 9. they can finish about 5 normally.
But do you see the competitors has only access at 8, so we cannot start at 8.
Yeah, normally they don't. The familiarization they start a bit late. I mean, if you remember, we start normally about 8:30 to 9. They start. Actually, the familiarization not the concern. The concern is for the competition day, whether they can come here a bit early.
Yeah.
So this information, when nearer the competition, we are going to have this again. This is only the current tentative planning. Lunchtime, right? They suggest we give 1.5 hours, and normally we give 1 hour in the past. So this time they are suggesting give a bit longer because from the competition venue to the delegate restaurant is quite far. Ours not so bad. Ours even nearer. Some other skill is very far. Okay. So that will be the ending. Okay, so that's some of the information. As I mentioned, is we just had a meeting for the last one. I just update you for all the important information. So come to the competitor training and the challenge. Any expert have any question regarding this? Regarding our training, I know some even you don't have your competitor yet. 4 countries, right? You haven't confirmed. For those already have, were there any question regarding the training, regarding the or any challenge?
So far,
as for me,
sorry.
Yeah.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead. I'll come later.
Dora, right? Dora?
All right. Okay. I wanted to say that as for me in particular, I haven't yet started with the training because my competitor is busy with his exam. And then he's going to finish that next week.
Okay.
But I guess whatever challenges that one meets, we'll just also communicate with you in the
Whether in discussion forum or
in the discussion forum.
WhatsApp, yeah, that's fine. CK?
Yeah, I think for us, everything quite okay, except the Simba software. But I guess last time when we discussed, we said the Simba software will be briefed during the Germany training camp.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. And we do have the budget approved to buy the Simba software, but I also understand from Helen's.
No, it's not the software. It's not. It's
not necessary to buy, right? Yeah.
No need.
So
yeah.
So
So
that's more. Yeah.
Okay. For those not joining the training, we will see how to do. I will talk to Thomas. I still haven't finalized whether how to let you have the last 2 competition, the software where you can train your competitors. Let me check with Thomas on that. Maybe after the training camp.
The idea was to have a training session at the training camp. And for those countries they are not face-to-face in Germany, we can organize online training.
Yeah, that would be excellent.
Yeah. At the same time, maybe. But I have to check.
Same time, maybe challenge. I don't know, because the right now, because some in the early morning, some like me 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Not so sure, but yeah. So maybe for those can join, cannot maybe record it. They can watch the videos.
And then what about the the jar test? Because I heard you guys last time you're saying that you were going to use the new jar test from that was manufactured
for those,
in China.
if you want to buy, you can. If not,
we pay the jar test, and I think last week or the week before we pay the jar test, and now we are waiting for the device. coming to Germany.
But is it
Should
going
be
to
able
be
to-
in the training camp?
Yes,
Yeah,
it will be
should
there.
be. Normally about 1
Hopefully.
to 2 weeks can reach.
Hopefully.
Oh, all right.
If
And
not,
it will come by ship. I hope the ship will arrive Germany safely.
Okay.
Yeah.
so I also publish the menu in the discussion forum. So for those you can check through.
All right.
And there will be also an engineer from the company, JATES company, at the training camp. So we will get a session with the engineer of the equipment.
That will be nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other comment? Okay, if not, let me see. Is it my last agenda?
I have a small topic about the training camp.
Yes.
I need the travel dates, because we want to organize to pick you up from the airport. So I need the flight number and your travel dates and the time you will arrive in Stuttgart main station or Stuttgart airport, so we can pick you up and bring you to the hotel.
So for those going, can maybe email the information to Hilma, your flight, your arriving time, and whether it's airport or whether it's train stations. Who is going but not here today? Yoon Jae, right? South Korea.
I already have the information from Michaela. I have the information from Mitsutani-san and CK.
With me, I still have a little challenge, but I think it will be solved tomorrow, because the sponsorship said they only budgeted €1,000 for my flight, and apparently the flight price is €1,489. So I talked with my deputy principal. They said they will give me the rest. So I guess tomorrow I'll be able to finalize that, and I'll send the travel dates.
That's perfect. Good.
Okay. Otherwise, if no other question, it's just nice 1 hour now. So we stop here. Thank you everyone for coming for the discussion and the meeting.
Sorry, Leo, I have
Yes.
one more question.
Yes.
Michaela asked me for the task for the expert leads, because she want to prepare some slides maybe, or she can work on some documents. So maybe we can ask her or Rajat.
No, you and me need to have a separate meeting on this.
Yeah.
So we let you know, because Huma and me need to have a separate meeting to before we let you know what the job scope for 2 expert lead to do. Right? We need a separate meetings.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone good?
All right.
Yeah. Otherwise, thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much for sharing the information.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.